5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Delhi's current emphasis is on building bridges between developing and developed countries. Stop. Many in the developed world are waking up to the importance of greater cooperation between the North and the South amidst the breakdown of relations between the East and the West. Stop. It can now be said plainly. Stop. Post Cold War multilateralism is past its peak at both the global and regional levels. Stop. This week's East Asia Summit in Jakarta and the G20 Summit in Delhi highlighted the deep and arguably irreversible crisis in the old multilateral order. Stop. The dying embers of old multilateralism are marked less by the absence of Russian President Vladimir Putin and Chinese President Xi Jinping at both summits than by their deepening conflicts with the rest of the world. Stop. Russia is locked in a war with the West over Ukraine, and China is at odds with many of its Asian neighbors, including India, Japan, and Philippines and Vietnam, as well as the US. Stop. Stanza. The gloomy prospect of multilateralism is in contrast with India's brightening opportunities to shape regional and global orders. Stop. Delhi's role is critical in the Indo-Pacific quadrilateral forum in the attempt to broaden the ambit of the G20 to address the concerns of the global South and in the promotion of balanced globalization that will help all countries. Stop. A city-based advocate from North Delhi has become the latest victim of the phone hacking scam or SIM swap in the national capital after the received 3 missed calls from unknown numbers and lost money from her bank account. Stop. Stanza. The Delhi's cyber cell said that the lawyer neither answered any phone calls from the accused nor did she share any personal details or OTP, but the accused managed to extract all her personal information, including banking details, and stole her money. Stop. Stanza. The incident was reported on October 18 when the advocate who practices in trial and high courts told the police that she lost lakhs of rupees from her account. Stop. The police refused to divulge details about the cheated amount. Stop. According to an officer, the 35-year-old advocate received 3 missed calls from a mobile number. Stop. Later she called the person from another number but was told that it was a courier delivery call. Stop. Stanza. She had only shared her house address with the accused, thinking she would be receiving a package from a friend, and she even received it. Stop. Later, two messages from her banking services application about two withdrawals without her knowledge alarmed her. Stop. The advocate had not shared any banking details, OTP or password. Stop. When she approached us, we found money was debited several times without her consent, said the officer who termed the case as SIM swap fraud. Stop. Over.